Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing only what's essential: the new net, ladder, gloves, and either zip ties or the original net hooks. Once done, remove the old net and wipe the rim so hooks seat properly. Make sure you can access all 12 rim loops. Start at a clearly marked top point. You attach the net's top loop to the first hook or thread a zip tie through the top loop and loosely secure it. This first attachment sets spacing, so align the loop with the rim hole before tightening. Once the first loop is set, continue clockwise to keep orientation consistent and attach every second or third loop so the net hangs without twisting. Make incremental pulls as you go to keep even tension. Excessive force will pull the rim out of shape. If using zip ties, trim tails after hand tightening. If using hooks, ensure each loop sits fully on the metal prong. After you've completed the top, rotate the ring slowly and inspect spacing. Then fill any skipped loops. You finish by securing the remaining loops and trimming any excess zip tie ends flush so nothing snags. Once done, test the installation by dropping a ball through the hoop 3 times to see how the net catches and to spot any bias or twisting. If the net sags on one side or twists, retension the affected loops. Loosen adjacent ties, then reseat and tighten, or add a supplemental tie at that segment. One quick troubleshooting tip: if a hook is bent, replace or bend it back before reattaching to avoid repeated failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.